So here's factoring part 3, and what I'm going to show you is a technique that I use to factor trinomials that look like this. Um, so this is my example here. I've got 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. And I'd like to eventually write this as x plus something times x plus something in brackets. So two brackets multiplying each other. Now, the way I do this is first by making this kind of table here that will help me, that will guide me through my process. And on the left-hand side of this vertical bar, I put the factors of 2. So I have 2 and 1. Those are the factors of 2. And on the right-hand side, I put the factors of 6. So on the left-hand side, I have the factors of my coefficient a, and on the right-hand side, I'll put the factors of the coefficient c. So on the right-hand side, I have 6 and 1. I have uh, 3 and 2. And also, I rewrite them in both direction, 1 and 6. So I'm just repeating the same coefficients, but I'm inverting them. So I've got 6, 3, 2, 1, and actually the same thing on the bottom side here. And what I'm looking for now is to multiply um, across the horizontal line. So I'm going to multiply across the horizontal line and then either add or subtract the multiple of the other two numbers. So and that has to give you 7. So I'm looking to get 7, and what I'm going to do is multiply 1 with 6. Nope. I'm going to multiply 2 with 2 like this, and add 1 multiplied to 3. So 2 with 2 gives me 4, plus 1 with 3 gives me 3, and that gives me 7. So now I know the numbers that I'm going to have in my brackets. In my first bracket, so I'm going to write my brackets out like this. In my first bracket, I'm going to group these guys together. The numbers on the left-hand side are the coefficients to x. So I have 2x, and then I have a positive 3 here, so that's plus 3. And on the bottom, these guys get grouped together. So I'll put them in the second bracket. Coefficient to x in the second bracket is 1, so I just write x. And then I have positive 2 on the other side, so plus 2. So let's see if when I FOIL this out, it actually gives me 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 2 is plus 4x. 3 times x is plus 3x. And 3 times 2 is plus 6. So that's just 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Yes, it does. So this technique worked.